In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent spam form submissions in HubSpot. If you've noticed junk leads creeping into your database, turning on HubSpot's built-in CAPTCHA is a quick, reliable way to filter out automated bots without adding much friction for real visitors. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to publish your changes confidently. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click through to the official site and sign in to your account. Once you're in the main dashboard, move your mouse over the left sidebar to reveal your navigation. Find the marketing section, then select Forms. This takes you to your list of forms. Everything from simple newsletter opt-ins to multi-step contact forms will appear here. Identify the form you want to protect. Hover over its row to reveal more options, then click Edit. You'll land in the form editor where all configuration happens. At the top, make sure you're on the form view so you can adjust form level settings rather than individual fields. Next, look for the section labeled Other Form Elements. Open it to see additional controls that apply to the form as a whole. Here you'll find a switch for CAPTCHA or spam prevention. Click to turn it on. This activates HubSpot's protection, which can present a quick human verification challenge when suspicious activity is detected. Legitimate users can usually pass without much effort, while automated scripts are far more likely to be blocked. After enabling CAPTCHA, save your progress by clicking Update in the upper right corner. Think of Update as your draft save. It confirms the change in the editor. To push the protection live to your visitors, click Publish. Publishing ensures the change is applied anywhere the form is used, including embedded versions on your website. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. After publishing, open the page where your form lives and try a test submission to confirm everything works as expected. If you're embedding the form on an external site, refresh the page or clear your cache to make sure you're seeing the latest version. Keep an eye on your submissions over the next few days. You should notice fewer bot entries and cleaner contact data. And remember, while CAPTCHA is effective, it's designed to be as unobtrusive as possible so you don't discourage genuine leads. That's it. Your HubSpot form now has an extra layer of protection against spam, and your database will thank you.